Hi, I'm Benny Groenewald from Wegezi. I'm the Managing Director for the group. Wegezi was established in 1981, mainly as an electric motor remanufacturing shop. It subsequently grew into the repair of pumps and the sale of pumps and electric motors. Wegezi also recently, in 2006, started the manufacturing, importation and repair of transformers for the market in South Africa. This is my management team. Lance Evershed, he's the director responsible for all sales of all products for the Wegezi group. We also have Paul Calvert. Paul Calvert is responsible for the transformer division, and due to with his technical knowledge, he's also assisting the whole group with all technical aspects. Then we've got Johan Watkins. Johan Watkins is responsible for the electric motor remanufacturing division. And we've got Stuart Lombard. Stuart is responsible for all pumps, sales, design, and then the sale of that. The group is situated in the west of Pretoria, and the workshops cover 6,000 square meters. We've got 237 staff, and we boast with the following accreditations. ISO 9000, SANS 780, Certex for flameproofing, and 1561 IT3. BMG has identified the Wegezi group as a potential to offer extended services to their customers. In 2009, preliminary work was done, and effectively on 1 April 2010, Wegezi became part of the total BMG offering. The Wegezi group has got 5 divisions. The first, the electric motor, rewind and repair facility that also sells new motors. The second division is the pump division, who does repairs and the sale of pumps. The transformer division does the sale of new and in-house manufactured transformers, as well as the repair of transformers. The site services division is going out to site and does on-site service for our customers in the repair and the installation of transformers, mainly on the electrical side. The fifth division is the electric motor remanufacturing division that mainly focuses on the manufacturing of coils as well as the sale of refurbished electric motors. I'm going to hand you over to Lance, who's going to take you on a tour of our facilities and show you around what we have to offer.
We are now in the electric machines division, which incorporates the repairs and sales of AC and DC machines, low voltage and high voltage. It incorporates the repairs of end suction and submersible pumps, as well as the manufacture of generator plants. All our processes and procedures that you will see are all SABS 1561 accredited, ISO 9000, as well as the flameproofing of the Certex that we have. As the units come into the factory, they are dismantled, they are assessed, they are then taken to the burn-off oven, they are burnt out, where they are either then rewound, or once that has happened, they would be revarnished. The units would then be taken across to the assembly division, where they will be assembled, and then from there transported to the test division, where they'll be tested, approved, taken to the paint bay, and then obviously ready for dispatch. Also in our own facility obviously is the rewinding division, which is predominantly done by females. Here is typically a refurbished high voltage motor that has recently been done and in the process of being completed for dispatch. Comforting to all our clients is the fact that we have a very comprehensive low and high voltage test facility, which incorporates DC, and it is obviously, as I said earlier on, SABS 1561 accredited. The IT3 denotes the fact that we have a dynamometer facility, which will ensure that most units are load tested. Part of our remanufacturing process is our engineering facility. In-house, we facilitate 95% of all repairs within our facility. The balance we obviously have to outsource. We are now in our transformer division. The transformer division is accredited with SANS 780 and ISO 9000. We manufacture up to 2.5 MVA, 22 kV in our own facility. The balance of units we import from facilities that are in China as Thailand. Thailand, we have an association with a facility called Thai Trafo and Jinan Transformers in China. The types that we manufacture are power transformers step up, power transformers step down, power transformers distribution, power transformers general, mini substations for mining, mini substations for local municipalities, as well as the dry type and resin type transformers. Standing in our test facility, we have a general distribution transformer, 11 kV down to 500 volt. And to my left, we have a resin type transformer, 11 kV down to 500 volt. Here is a typical municipality mini substation. Here is the RM6 switchgear. You have the incoming, outgoing and local. We have the VIP 35 protection. As you can see on the HT incoming cables, we have boots, which are there for obviously protection of the high voltage. I'm standing in front of a typical underground mining mini sub. As you can see, the unit has been specially designed by Wegezi transformers to facilitate UV vehicles to be able to transport the unit from point A to point B. It is a unique design, designed by Wegezi transformers, and is now in great use throughout the mining industry. Our pump division is specifically targeted to import and sell, as well as distribution, of a pump range such as submersible, end suction, and positive displacement pumps. We have recently acquired the distribution rights to a pump unit called the Disc Flow, which is very unique in this country, and there'll be a lot more information following on to the BMG websites as well as our own website. We are accredited distributors of Grundfos, KSB, and Tsurumi. Our target markets are going to be the industry as well as the mining industry. This is the disc flow pump, and it is specifically designed for special applications. In principle, the thicker the product can be, the better this pump will actually work. The big secret to this pump is actually it is a non-wearing pump. Examples of the use of this pump is the distribution of live fish without harming the fish, the distribution of moving certain vegetables or fruits without damaging the product themselves. This pump is unique in the industry, and soon you'll see it throughout the country. The remanufacturing facility is targeted directly at general engineering, remanufactured electric motors, on-site services such as infrared scanning, switchgear repair, mini substation and transformer repairs, as well as condition monitoring, balancing, and partial discharge testing. Here we are sitting at a typical site service job. We have done the turnkey project. We have removed this 20 MVA transformer from site. We've taken it to our facility where it has been refurbished. We've brought it back to site. And as you can see in process, we have partial discharging taking process. One of our technicians connecting up the transformer. We have tests being undertaken, which are computerized, and our oil regeneration plant is in process of purifying the oil.